Hey guys, happy summer. So today is a tutorial using hot pink eyeshadow and an orange lip. Thank you Beauty Junkie for requesting this look. I think it's just a delicious look. It's just smoky and blown out and it's totally a me look. I feel like I'm always rocking these just blown out smoky eyes. Super simple look using 3 eyeshadows and an eyeliner, and I think it came out really nicely, and I paired it with this bright orange lip. I thought it just bounces back and forth. Since I did matte eyeshadow, I wanted to do a very glowy complexion, but when you look up close in person, it's really glowy and not chalky or powdery. It's glow from within because I used a liquid highlighter and then I used a cream highlighter. So that's really what this glow is coming from, and I hope that you enjoy. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, join my Cake Face family. We would love to have you. And for returning friends, thank you so much for coming back. Please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you would like to see in the future from me, and I'm compiling a list and going through it. So I hope that you enjoy. Right now, the video that you're seeing, I will already be on vacation, so when I get back, I will get back to each and every one of you. I love you lots, and let's get this started. I've already primed my eyes using my favorite Makeup Forever Step 1 Eye and Lip Primer. I am going to start by taking this NYX Ultimate Brights palette. How pretty is this palette? I'm obsessed. It's mostly matte with some like satin shades, but they're so vibrant and beautiful. This brush is a little bit dirty right now. It has just a little bit of orangey type of pigments on it, so I'm just wiping that off. You can use a color switch, which I'm afraid to do with these Wayne Goss brushes because I'm careful with them. But this is the number 17. I am going to go into this rose shade here. I want a more subtle base for our Melt Vibrant Hot Pink. And I'm just going to, you know, blend that into the crease. I'm going to take a little bit of this light yellow shade and blend that into the edges just a tad. It's time to dip into Radioactive from Melt with my Luxie 213T brush. I'm going to pat that all over the lid, blending it into the other shadow. To blend it into the other shadow, I'm going back into my Wayne Goss. I'm going to take a little bit more pigment on the brush and spritz it with MAC Fix Plus. This is totally going to stain my eyelids, isn't it? I'm going to take a red eyeliner for the waterline. This is the Marc Jacobs Fine Wine. I'm going to use this as a cream base for the pink to sit on and attach to. And then with that same brush, I'm just working the pigment right on top. I'm going to throw on some mascara. This guy is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. I quite like this mascara. I think it looks really pretty. Although one of my subscribers said she tried it and got a bunch of transfer, even when she didn't put it on her lower lash line. So that's not good. I haven't had that issue, but I believe it. I'm going to use my Core's Greek Yogurt Smoothie priming moisturizer as my primer today. And for foundation, I really want to blank out all the redness in my face to make this pink work. So I'm going to take a full coverage foundation. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1. I'm going to mix a dash of my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal in with this foundation. I'm using my Urban Decay Optical Blurring Brush to blend this into the skin. Since the eyeshadow's all matte, I thought it'd be pretty to do a super glowy foundation. I'm going to take some more Opal from Becca and bring that down my neck. Okay, love, so I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in Fair with a tulip shaped brush. And I'm going to set. Seeing large pores peeking through on the cheeks, so I'm taking my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. I'm just going to drown the pores a little bit in that powder. Suffocate the life out of them. Wouldn't that be terrible? Okay guys, so I'm going to take the fluffy brush we were using, the number 17, and blend that lower lash line right over. Taking a bit of my Makeup Forever palette. This is the Cream Pro Sculpting palette. With my Urban Decay brush, I'm going into the contour shade. I'm just going to stamp that right onto the cheekbones. And I'm going to take a little bit of the cream highlights. Stamping that right into the tops of the cheekbones. Lips. What should we do with lips? I feel like we could go in all kinds of different directions. How would you guys feel about an orange lip with this look? A purple would be cool. But here's what I'm thinking. Should we try it? Worst case is we take it off, right? This is Geraldine, the NARS Audacious lipstick. I quite like that. What do you guys think? So you could definitely do a nude, you could do a plain gloss, you could do hot pink if you wanted to match. I kind of like this orange. I think that it plays nicely. I think now that we've got that on, I can see where I need to improve. I'm going to take a little bit more of the yellow that we used earlier. And when that mixes in, it's going to create a beautiful orange. Tangerine type of shade. So I'm just going to blend the edges a little bit. For continuity's sake. This look would be really pretty with false lashes too, if you wanted. I think I do want a little bit of a blush, not much. I'm going to take the Natasha Denona Blush Duo. With the brush I used for powder, I'm going to very lightly bring that through the cheeks. I want to keep this looking really nice in person too, so I'm not gonna play it up for the camera. This was such a simple look. 2 shades, right? I think, or maybe 3. We used a softer pink, we used a vibrant pink, we used that yellow, and an eyeliner, and that was it. Super, super simple. You can do this with any color combination. I do this type of eye all the time. You guys have seen me do tutorials like this before. I just thought it'd be fun to keep it simple with such a vibrant color. Yeah, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I am kind of annoyed because the left eye is keeping its vibrancy better than the right eye, so I think I should have used my Viseart shades. Those are just simply the best shadows out there. They keep their vibrancy. That Editorial Brights palette is unbeatable, but these are not bad either. They're just not as good. I wanted to switch it up though because I'm always, you know, I kind of felt like I was just showing you that and you probably wanted to see more variety on my channel. Pooh, now we have fallout. Why didn't you just leave well enough alone? Okay guys, so I think we have completed the look. Blown out smoky eye. What else can you expect from me? But I love it. I hope that you do too, and I love you lots. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below so we can chit chat, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.